going to school. You party all night and now you're late for your first day of school. And you know you have a match today. How can you be serious about this football thing and you know how your coach stay?
Coach? Coach know me can run this team, man. Them can't win without me. This team know that. Even the whole school know that. Look, this is my year now, mommy. I'm my year to show why best baller in the Manning Cup. And you know, say, every time I go out the night before, I always play good. So I must score at least 2 today.
You hurry up and get dressed. I am dropping you to school. And please, stop driving my car at night.
Well, my birthday I Saturday, so you know, forget me.
Oh, by the way, I saw your little friend. You think it's yesterday born?
Oh, yeah, that's easy, you know.
Doesn't she have a mother? What are these girls doing out at this time?
Actually, she work, you know. At the party plan, I'm going to tell you about.
Get ready.
Hi Steve, how was summer?
Alright, you know.
First match of the season, you coming?
Of course. First game as captain. You ready?
Well, the captain trainer than anybody else on the team, you know. But you can come check it out for yourself and see how good I am.
Maybe I will.
I'm not talking to Marlon anymore, and you guys shouldn't either. And that go for Steve too.
Why? What did he do?
Over the summer, I asked Marlon to tattoo my name on him, and you know him wouldn't do it.
Alexa, Marlon is not even my man, and I know say him wouldn't do that. With his father? Are you crazy?
Jeez. So I don't care. If he really cared, he wouldn't do it. Simple.
So hold on. Tell me now, if Marlon asked you to get his name on your body, would you do it?
Me? Put a man's name on my body? You must be mad. Not even if I put a ring on my finger. No.
You think so?
Dad, on a serious level still. Lisa's a nice girl, you know. Why you struggle with Alexa?
Man, if I tell you the truth, you know, Lisa like me, I kind of like her too. But then again, Alexa just kind of crazy, dog.
Kinda? And you and God know why you choose Alexa over Lisa, you know. Because you and God alone can deal she and fear problems then.
So, you're really going to leave him over that?
Listen, he doesn't put me or our relationship first. All him do is train and play football and study. School don't even start yet, Stephanie.
But he's such a nice guy though. I mean, he's smart, he's cute, and he's the captain of the football team. You know much girl want him?
So them can take him if them want him. I don't care. Anyways, mommy always tell me, no. I must share my old toys with the less fortunate. And since me already outgrow Marlon, them can take him. Why me can't find one guy who just really treat me nice, you know? Take me out, me could go shopping, spoil me with gifts, take me to the movies. Jeez, all them nice things a man supposed to do for him girlfriend. That too much to ask?
Well, I don't need a guy to do any of that for me because my daddy does it.
And that's why you've never had a boyfriend before.
As in, shut up, Alexa.
Anyways, dad, after 9 now, and then I said, Jojo.
Boy, I tell him to see him for a morning, man. Yeah, dog, I'm just ready for the season. I'm ready for it, man. I get my heart.
I can't take it, you know, I see it, you know.
Yo, dog, say, get here, no, brother.
Why for that, you know, my
Ah, go easy now.
I got the canteen, you want nothing?
Alright, just swing across our power party for me, see?
Ah.
Alright, man, bless up, brother. Oh, 12:45. Are you run school?
Who tell you?
I want to tell you the coach I will kick you off of the team.
Best forward. So who go score then? Oh God, Kiapo. Oh, Steve still a chatty pastor that though.
I want to tell you say nothing for your ear, you see. Pastor said nothing for your ear. I kind of respect him, so nothing still, you know.
Who is the time that dog?
What dog, you wouldn't say she's a good girl for you?
If I say so still. Yo, four no go over bench then.
Yo, dog, this man in Lexa come with that one bag of drama. I can't deal with it, brother.
Yeah, I'm so far. Can I talk to you for a minute? You know, something I think about your whole summer though.
Really now? Why are you thinking about me?
Think about how much more you be my girl.
Why would you want that?
Well, could I start by saying you're the prettiest girl in high school? but, I know that alone. You're smart, your confidence turn up, and you're honest.
Hi, Marlon.
Hey, what's up?
What are you doing?
Oh, good. How was the summer?
It was really good. I mean, I got a new book, so it was pretty good.
Alright.
Oh, so,
I'm there.
oh, have you spoken to Alex as yet?
No.
Oh, you're in for a surprise.
Marlon, you know I'm upset with you, right?
Yo,
So you're ready to apologize now?
Look, I don't know what I do, but honestly, I don't like it when they're upset with me. So I'm just give space, make you express yourself.
Marlon, you not listen to me. All you have to do
I
is
know I'm not
take a
spend
little-
enough time with you, alright? I'm sorry. But just give me a chance, because I know I can try.
But listen to me. All you have
Look,
to
I
do
really like
put
you a
the
lot,
tattoo-
Alexa. And I just want to give me a chance, because I know it can work. Please.
You're so cute when you're sorry.
So, what about all these other girls now? I'm not into this matey thing, you know.
Oh, say you want me then?
Relax. You know that's not what I mean.
I joke. But big man thing though. See them all the girls that we see me with? I'm just there for occupying my time until I find somebody who I want to get my all to.
Well, if you want to be with me and me alone, you're going to have to prove yourself still.
Look, don't pay attention to the other girls. Just believe me when I say you are the only girl in high school I'm on there.
Ask him about all the other girls at the other schools. I'm sure he tells them all the same thing.
Pre-match meeting, senior play for the early. Captain's order, see it?
Tell coach I have a French test, I'm so come. You might have cut now still, but I sure say that much a cheer for me later here.
So you're not going to answer Patrice?
Look, you can't pay attention to she. Later.
Anyway, I have to go organize the lunchtime prayer meeting. You guys can come join me. I could talk to the Lord.
Yeah, man.
That's so good. All right, later, ladies.
Bye.
Bye.
Them cutie. I like her for Steve.
Yeah, I think they're a cute couple. I just don't get why she never says hi to me. It's like she doesn't even like me.
Clearly.
But why though? It's not like I ever did anything to her.
Stephanie, she's going to hate you if she know you want her man.
Alright? What? I mean, I don't want him.
Come on, Steph. Everybody know you want him.
Is it that obvious?
Yes, it's that obvious.
Yeah.
My God, it's like you throw yourself at him. But she would be jealous.
Yeah, but like I like her. I don't want her to think that I want her boyfriend or anything.
But Stephanie, you want her man though.
Alright, yes. But she don't need to do that. Alright, and plus, I just think he's such a nice guy. I mean, he's smart, he's cute, and I just love that he's so dedicated to God.
But you know you have to be a serious Christian to talk to him though, right?
Yeah, I know. I actually considered switching churches just to be with him.
Nah, man, I don't think you have to do all of that. I think you should just be real and tell him how you feel.
I don't think I could do that.
If I didn't me still, it would take him a long time.
Yeah, I don't think I could do that either.
If it was me still, trust me, Steve would have begged me not to leave him. Patrice, come on, Steve. Patrice not even that cute.
Yeah, but that's easy for you to say. Every guy wants you, Alexa.
It's just natural.
Why?
Oh my God, is that the first bell? I can't believe I forgot. Bye guys.
Bye-bye. I swear one day she's going to leave our brain.
I agree. I still can't believe you guys are best friends. You're so different.
Yeah, but you know she's my best friend. I've known her my entire life. We grew up together. I have her back.
True, and I mean, you can't really trust most girls these days, you know, so it's good to have a friend like that.
Yeah, man, I know, right?
Anyways, meet me later. We'll go to the match together.
All right.
Yeah, cool.
Sir, I'm done. I have a football meet before the match.
The carbon field, one chance.
That's it.
What took you so long?
What are you doing? Right now I'm late for a football meeting. You know?
I just wanted to wish you good luck before the match.
I never know you business about football. You've done still, but I forgot.
Honestly, I don't care about football. I just wanted to give you a good luck kiss before the match.
Oh, Zane?
Yeah, and besides, aren't you the star of the football team? I'm sure they won't miss you if you're a little bit late.
I will tell you.
Alright boys, listen up. First match of the season. I know you can do it. I've been delighted to say that you guys have been one of the best group of players over the years of me being a coach in the sports of football.
Yeah!
Wow. You guys can go all the way. You are skillful players, and with the strategic formations we've been practicing, I'm sure that you can do it. You've trained well together as a unit, and with discipline, I've seen your growth. I have taught you well. Now it's your turn to make me proud today when you go out on that field. I believe in you guys. It is remarkable the level of confidence in this team. You have trained well and have done your best for each other's support. I want to see that today on that field.
Yeah! Yeah!
Where's Jojo? Where's Andrew? Marlon, where's Andrew? Sir, him there do a French test. French? What real man does French?
Yes, sir. The man in a class with 34 women, you know. The man is a genius, he must get one of them.
Marlon, why isn't he here? Why hasn't anyone gone to call him? Sir, I go check and the teacher say him done the test and leave. I'm supposed to be here. Well, I don't see him, so where is he? I don't know, sir. I can't hear it. Talk up, man, what you say? I said I don't know, sir. What I mean I don't? Marlon, listen to me. You are the captain. Simply means that you are the leader of this team. It is your responsibility to know where each and every player is and make sure that they reach here on time. You don't know. Just like in the army, the captain is responsible for every single soldier.
Yes, sir.
Minutes before match time, are you telling me that you don't know where Juju is? Marlon, if you want to keep that captain's banner on the arm, you not just have to shape up, but stand up to your responsibilities and rise to the occasion. Johnny, you're starting up front today. Let's go.
Match time, Captain. You ready? Why are you over here all by yourself? Why you look so serious?
I'm a good man.
Don't tell me you're nervous. I thought the captain was the most prepared player.
Look, you wouldn't understand, Zane.
Marlon, this is me. You can trust me.
I train harder than everybody else on this football team. Look, me the first to train and the last to leave every day. Me help coach the under 14 team, you know how hard I work. You know how much I give this school, how much I have to sacrifice. I have a girlfriend who hardly see much less talk to. She nearly left me today. You know, it's just like me do everything I'm supposed to do and just come like it just never enough, you know what I mean?
But Marlon, nothing in life
It's easy. Trust me.
No. Nothing in life worth keeping comes easy, and that's what I want you to know. All these papers are saying such amazing things about you. You're the biggest thing in football, the greatest thing in the competition this year, Jamaica's next big talent, a footballing genius. Didn't think I knew that, did you? I read your articles, Mr. Big Game Baller. And how you think you got there, Marlon? Because you work harder than anybody else. As in, I don't know how you do it still. Like, you get good grades, you play football, everybody loves you, and you're handsome, but you don't let it get to you. You stay humble, and that's what I respect about you, because not a lot of people can do that.
I try hard still.
You don't make that get to your head, man.
No one. Marlon, match time, let's go. Hey, thanks for the pep talk.
No problem. Like my best friend I go today.
You better not be thinking about that kiss today on the field.
Cap, good game in the captain.
Yeah, man, respect, man.
Yeah, man. We can go undefeated this season.
What do you mean, man? We definitely can do it, man. We just need to work hard and shut up the thing, you know?
True. At least I'll judge for save we if anything still.
Yeah, man.
2 goals in a 30 minutes. Once him not get injured, we're good to go, man.
Yeah.
Yo, if anything, we'll link up still.
Alright, bless up. Here is
Captain.
Yeah, man.
What happened to Andrew today? Why did he miss the first half?
Well, I don't know. They have some emergency for deal before the match, so.
But where is he though?
Well, him over there start talk to coach, you know.
I mean, they had a pretty good game though. Very exciting.
Yeah, Jojo come finish them off.
But my good luck worked. I knew you'd score.
Jojo to the rescue.
Change quick though.
What happened to you today?
Come see it today, never hear. So start calling me Superman.
I mean, why did you miss the first half? I heard you had an emergency. Is everything okay?
I just something me that for deal with. Nothing big.
The coach just say nothing to you?
Yeah, me don't explain to him so me have something I have to deal with him. I couldn't say no to it. Him understand. Plus, I tell him say, yo, if I continue to score 2 goals every half, I broke a goal scoring record. Easy. See, I cheer much today. I appreciate it still. When you know, so I dedicate them 2 goals to you, you know.
Oh, really? Isn't that cute?
Where were you? Weren't we supposed to go to the match together?
I went on the road to get something to eat. Completely lose track of the time. But Lisa, you know, I'm supposed to care about football anyways.
Well, Marlon scored today.
And Juju scored too, I heard. Everybody's talking about it, how Juju come in and saved the day 3-1. I'm not surprised anyways, he'll probably have some extra luck.
Yo, no, I'll go on. Alex, I can tell you. She see me at the club last night. I'm always scored if we go the night before.
Hi, Juju. Congratulations. When I saw you come on in the second half, I just know you're doing the game for us.
You had a really good game. Now I know why them call it Superman.
Well, mommy picking me up at the gate. Alexa, you want a ride?
Yeah, man, I'm coming.
Oh, my father picked me up at the front gate. Me just walking.
Alright.
Yo, Jojo, you have fun?
Yeah. Yo, later, girls. Thanks for your support.
Bye, Juju.
Bye, Superman.
Juju is so cute. I hear he's trying to wife Lisa.
Me hear that too, but I couldn't care less. I would steal him.
I know you would, and I think everybody else knows that.
He might try out the browning still.
I don't know why she hangs out with Alexa though.
Especially when nobody don't like her.
Why is Marlon even with her? I mean, he's kinda cute. He can do much better.
But not Chief him too.
Who wouldn't you steal?
Don't even bother with that. He's really not like that, you know. I mean, him only talk to one girl. He's so loyal to that girl. Jojo on the other hand,
I'll see how loyal he'll be to her now after he sees this.